Today we are heading to Phnom Kulen, also known as Kulen Mountain. This mountain is one of the most historically and spiritually important places in Cambodia. It is considered the birthplace of Khmer Empire, and King Jayavarman II is traditionally associated with establishing the Khmer Empire here in the early 9th century. But Phnom Kulen is not just about history, it is a beautiful natural area with thick jungle, streams, waterfalls, and ancient religious sites. So let's explore what makes this mountain so special. Our first important stop is Preah Ang Thom. This is one of the most sacred places in Phnom Kulen, and the main attraction is this enormous reclining Buddha carved directly into the sandstone. The Buddha is about 8 meters long, and what makes it even more interesting is that it's carved into natural rock rather than being a separate statue. You will also notice that this is still a living place of worship. People come here to pray, make offerings, and receive blessings. So, this isn't simply an archaeological monument, it's a place that is still very much part of Cambodian spiritual life today.
destroyed by water. So, but this place building before the Angkor area, before the Angkor city. But during in the first century until 8th century, the king believe the Hindu.
Yeah.
Yeah. And until 10th century, the king we have the Buddha rise. Yeah. And during in 3rd century, we have problem fighting with the religion. Yeah. But after the next king, they combine Hindu and Buddhist combine, and until right now.
We are here, which is one of the most fascinating places on Kulen Mountain. That is the river of Thousand Lingas. What makes this place so special is that the carvings are actually made directly into the riverbed. As we walk along the river, you can see hundreds of lingas carved into the stone. The linga is a sacred symbol associated with Lord Shiva, one of the most important Hindu gods. If you look carefully, you can also see carvings of Lord Vishnu, including the famous image of Vishnu reclining on the cosmic serpent, Sesha. So, this wasn't simply a river. More than 1,000 years ago, this entire riverbed was transformed into a sacred place with images and symbols connected to Hindu gods. And there is something really fascinating about the way this was designed. The water flows directly over these sacred carvings before continuing downstream. The ancient Khmer people believed that the water passing over these sacred symbols would become blessed. Just imagine, these carvings have been here for more than 1,000 years, with the river continuing to flow over them.
Ina? Neptune color.
For me, this is what makes the River of Thousand Lingas so incredible. History, religion, art, and nature all coming together in one place. Just near the River of Thousand Lingas, there is another interesting sacred spot that looks almost like a small natural well. This water is considered holy water. For centuries, water has had an important place in Khmer Hindu traditions. Here, the sacred water is connected with the carvings and religious symbols around the river. People traditionally believed that this blessed water could be used for purification and spiritual blessing.
For the fries, yeah, maybe, and it's for the soup. And for the like the
Coconut.
the water, sugar.
Okay.
Also
okay.
in the countryside we pour the water to drink it.
Drink.
It's good for traditional. This is soft stick also used for the palm tree. It's good. But this is a what for the one of the body sick, we can do like with um, with
And finally, we come to one of the most beautiful parts of Phnom Kulen, the Kulen Waterfalls. After exploring all the history and religious sites, this is the perfect place to relax. The water flows down through the jungle and forms natural pools where visitors can swim and cool down. And I think this is what makes Phnom Kulen so special.
It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day, honey. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day, honey.
see like detect the smell from the palm fruit,
Mhm.
like the the red fruit,
Mhm.
like from the fruit, coconut milk, but once more in
Mhm. Mhm.
smell. And combine we take water.
Oh, okay.
If you like the longgong and sometimes banana or pineapple, check or some grape, green. And sometimes coconut milk eat with the.
Eat madam. Thank you.
Then look at the bomb cakes. Sugar, palm sugar. careful